Attention, job seekers. Welcome to Tara Nawa's channel, where your dream job is just a click away. We've got 25 fresh, exciting opportunities lined up for you today. And guess what? Our job seeker community has grown to an incredible 86364 members. That's 86364 people actively pursuing new opportunities. And we're thrilled to have you on this journey with us. But here's the real magic. It's you who made this happen. Your likes, shares, and word-of-mouth recommendations have fueled this incredible growth. We truly appreciate your support. Stay tuned. We'll be sharing everything you need to know about our database and how to unlock its full potential, including open vacancies. Don't miss out. Accessing the Tara Nawa e-Recruitment database is simple. Head over to taranawa.com, and once there, hover over the Products and Services menu. Click on e-Recruitment Solution, then scroll down and click on the image that matches what you see on your screen now. This will open the database along with powerful Power BI reports. What's inside? This report showcases our comprehensive database of job seekers, employers, and vacancies, equipped with advanced filtering and analysis tools to help you uncover valuable insights effortlessly. And of course, your privacy remains our top priority, ensuring all sensitive information is securely protected. Unlock powerful insights with interactive charts and slicers. Our charts and data slicers are fully interactive, dynamically filtering data as you explore. With countless filtering combinations, you can uncover highly targeted insights in just a few clicks. Here are a few ways you can use the filters. Find qualified candidates. Display handicapped job seekers with a degree or postgraduate qualification based in a specific location who are currently unemployed and within a chosen age range and gender. Narrow down applicants' view, candidates who applied for human resources roles, but only within a particular region. Analyze vacancies, see all geology-related job openings and track the number of applications received. And that's just the beginning. The possibilities are endless. Customize your search and gain deeper insights effortlessly. Explore the Open Vacancies Report. One of the most valuable reports in our database is the Open Vacancies Report. It gives you real-time insights into which employers are currently hiring, vacancy titles and job details, closing dates for applications, number of applicants who have applied so far. And that's just the beginning. This powerful report offers so much more, helping you stay ahead in the job market. Stay tuned as we dive deeper into its features and show you how to make the most of it. Are you curious about Tara Nawa's recruitment solution and services? We've got you covered. Whether you're an employer looking for top talent or a job seeker ready for your next opportunity, our recruitment solution and database are here to help. Here's how you can reach us. Email us via the Contact Us page at www.taranawa.com. Call us at +200 64 64 402 403. Check the video description for all our contact details. Warm greetings from the sunny shores of Swakopmund. Keep pushing forward, stay motivated, and take that next big step in your career. Your next opportunity starts now. Let's make it happen.